At the heart of every Exodus adventure are the best local guides. And for over 50 years, they've been leading the way, some of whom have been with us for decades. They're more than just leaders, they're storytellers, problem solvers, and friendly faces who make sure you're looked after and can venture deeper into the places you visit. They know the shortcuts when the trail gets tricky, the perfect cafe for a well-earned break, and how to make you feel at home, no matter how far you've traveled. Maybe it's a family-run restaurant only the locals know about, or the little-known legends behind the sites you visit. With them, you see more, laugh more, and feel more connected to the places you explore. Because with Exodus, you don't just visit a destination, you're welcomed into it. It's more extraordinary with Exodus Adventure Travels.